Hey everyone, so we're just gonna be walking along Ellis Park in Campbell River. It's right along the ocean. And it's around 6:30 at night or in the evening. Anyway, it should be a lot of fun. Come on, let's go. Walking down on the beach, along the beach. Really nice driftwood everywhere. The sun is starting to come down. It's been a nice evening. It was super hot today. It got up to 28. They have these cute little chairs to sit in with little plaques on them. Come on! You can hear the waves just ever so slightly hitting the shore. Just doing this rock walk so I could show you the super cool rock that's up here. So this is the rock. Wow. It is super, super, super huge. You guys would all like to see it. It looks pretty cool. Wow, that is really neat. Wow. That's pretty cool. So this one is a bird in a nest. One is supposed to be squid or octopus. So this is just a short little walk along down on the main drag next to the ocean. I just thought I'd show you some of the little things around here. So that's our walk. Have a great day, everybody. I hope you liked this video and I hope you watch the next one. Bye!